How are we doing today, folks? It's Ben here from Catch Pro, and as some of you guys know, I've been messing around with some battery gear as of late. I did actually buy some pieces. We've got some still gear that we bought for our site, mostly because we wanted to utilise the petrol attachments that we already had. But on my rig, I actually decided to go with, I guess it was more a price point decision. I went with some of the Bushranger gear. Now, I don't have all the pieces. I'm just basically, I got the blower kit first because, you know, I'm really just, for a hand blower especially, I'm just not interested in pulling cords anymore. But this is actually a domestic unit, and I think there is a commercial battery line in the pipeline. They're sort of just basically developing that. But look, for anyone who's interested, I thought I'd just give you, a quick demonstration of how this thing actually moves, because I'm pretty impressed with the power. And as you can see back here, we just got, you know, leaves upon leaves. So stay tuned, and I'm just going to show you how it can move these leaves along. Quickly before I do, basically we have a 5 amp battery in here. Everything's pretty simple. You just have an on button, and then underneath here you have a normal trigger. This yellow button up here is actually a turbo button. Now on this model, if you initiate that turbo, you can remove your finger, and the turbo will actually stay on for about 30 seconds. Now the turbo is very impressive. One small feature that I really love about this, see this, now there are a few brands are doing this, but this little cap here, it's so that it doesn't wear your pipe away when you're scrubbing them on the ground or what. But that's something that sort of, I like how brands are doing that now, and I like how Bushranger have incorporated that too. Okay, so let's get blowing. Okay, so that's just the regular mode. Now I'm going to just give it a go in turbo. So what you just saw there was the turbo control setting, and ran for, I don't know, roughly 20 to 30 seconds. And then the turbo will drop out and you can reinitiate that again. What I would like to see is a turbo button option up here. And we may actually see that on the commercial models when they come out. So anyway, I'm just going to continue on. Okay, so that's the first look at the Bushranger battery handheld blower. Yeah, I mean, if anyone's been using this stuff, the battery line, feel free to leave your comments and feedback and let me know. I've only had this for a couple of days, And pretty impressed with, like, you know, for a homeowner series, pretty impressed with the power immediately. I think there'll be good things to come when the commercial line comes on board. All right, cool. Hope you enjoyed it.